Before we kind of wrap up the show, since we're doing video on this show, of course, we'll have an audio version that we release that will have this portion cut out. But we would love to know if you could do a trick for us, maybe?
Amazing! Let's do it!
All right.
Okay. I mentioned cards, and I love this. However, let me share something different with you. Let me try to adjust my frame. Let's see how this goes. Okay, as mentioned, I got interested in magic approximately 15 years ago. Since the very beginning, my main love, passion, and obsession have been playing cards. However, what I want to share with you now is my all-time favorite sleight of hand illusion. I love it. My friends love it. I'm starting to think that you are going to love it as well. My friends call this the bill thing, like the thing with the dollar bill. The bill thing. We need two bills. 1, 5, and
We got a George and an Abe.
one, exactly, George and Abe. 1 and 5. Now, if you were here in this room with me, I would ask you to hold on to these two bills for dear life. However, given that you are not here with me, I'm going to put both of these 1, 5 underneath my wallet. Yeah. And I'm going to take up one of the two, just one. I have the 1. Whatever happens, whatever I say, whatever I do not take your eyes off that bill. I mean it, do not take your eyes off it. Do not blink. Now
Oh my
I have the
God.
5, which means that over there underneath the wallet
No.
is the 1. And that's the bill thing.
Oh my God.
That's a
I
fun
love
one.
it.
I love
I
it.
have no idea how you did that. That's amazing.